Hey my beauties, welcome back to Wendy's World. You're probably getting bombarded on your Facebook and Instagram with this cosmetic company called Thrive Cosmetic. And it promises to give you this beautiful, beautiful eyeshadow that is a cream eyeshadow, and it looks great on all skin types. The only problem is it costs $32 for this cream eyeshadow. So I thought to myself, well, that's way too much money. So I'm gonna go out to Shoppers and I'm gonna purchase a cream eyeshadow and see what that is like. Now, what I ended up choosing was Marcelle. Pardon me, Marcelle, and it is a hypoallergenic long wear eyeshadow pencil. And then I decided to get a highlighter as well, and it is cream pencil as well, and it's by NYX, and it is a crayon, and it's 630 Cashmere. That's the number, and it's the Cashmere color, so it's kind of light, and all of this is like iridescent. So I want to show you what it looks like on more mature skin, because as you know, with Thrive, if you've been watching all of the ads, they're like these beautiful young gorgeous women. And so me being in my 50s, and maybe yourself, you're probably curious as to what this will look like on your eyelids. So again, it's Marcelle, and now it's a retractable pen, and it's called Galactic Copper. Oops, having a hard time opening it. So again, it's retractable, so that means it goes up. See, it goes up and it goes down. So let's give it a go. It goes on really smoothly, as you can see. How easy is that? And it looks beautiful. This only cost me $10. And then I'm gonna highlight. Gee, I should have taken off the tops before I started. I'm really having a hard time. Hold on. I'm back. So I got the top off of my NYX. Now look at the highlight. Really easy. What do you think, beauties? What do you think? Very nice. Now I'm going to put on my mascara. Now, as I said, all the cosmetics that I have purchased is from Shoppers Drug Mart. So this is a mascara that I love to use, and it's also very reasonable, and it's from Shoppers Drug Mart. It's by Essence. It's called Bye Bye Panda Eyes, and why I like this is it's smudge proof and volumizing, and I believe it is not waterproof, which makes it easier for me to remove. One coat. Don't tend to put mascara on my bottom lashes, but maybe I'll do that today so I can show you. So hard to apply this on the camera while shooting, but I think I'm doing a pretty good job. What do you think? Well, there you have it. Gorgeous, isn't it? So this is a look that I achieved, and it was very reasonable. I purchased all my products, and I'll link them in my description box, so you really don't have to go out and purchase the really expensive Muna crayon by Thrive Cosmetics for $32. You can get your own gorgeous look. watching me, and thank you for subscribing to the channel. I'll see you next time on my next tutorial. Bye for now.